What's up, guys? My name is Vakile. Today I'm gonna do a little tune, and it's based on the chords. I'll just play these chords here, and that chord there, and that chord there. Okay, so this is in the key of F. This is a 1-4-5 chord progression. If you count in the key of F, you have F, G, A, B, C. So it's F. Okay. After F, you go to the fourth, which is your B flat. B flat. It's that one there. And then you go to your C. C is that one there. I'll just quickly spell these chords here. Your F here is, I'll spell them in terms of degrees. It's held like that. And you have the third here. You got the root, third, fifth, root, and third. Okay. And your B flat goes that way. Now you got the root, fifth, root, third, fifth, and the root. Okay. And your fifth, you got root, third, fifth, root, third, root. Okay. So that's how the spelling goes there. So I'm gonna do this. It'll be sounding under these chords here. If you play those chords, that'll work for the rhythm. Now for my C, I'll just hold like that, like more like a C6. Just hold like that and play a few notes out of it. So in the first instance, I'll be playing these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'll be leaving the sixth and the first string. The first string and the sixth, I'll be leaving them out for this first playing. Let me put a guitar, and then you may have that. So it goes. So you may have noticed that the chord progression includes hammer-ons, some hammer-ons, and the hammer-ons can be done in so many ways. You can do a delayed hammer-on or a hammer-on straight on when you're picking the note itself. So I'm doing a hammer-on when I'm picking the note. You know, I tend to hammer there when I'm picking it. For example, I'll give you. It's a hammer on, and then you flick. You remove it immediately. More like teasing, you know. It's not like a hit and then you hammer on. No, it's a hammer on when you're hitting the string with your right hand, and I'm using it through this one throughout. So when I close up, you can see it. So I'm hitting the on the 60 here on this chord here, and when I go to this chord here, you may have to know that for this chord, this one is the third, and this is the fourth. So I'm hitting on the fourth of that chord. Then on this one, back, sixth again. So it goes. Now for this one, I'm hitting. It's now the second of that chord, which is this one here. C. It's the second of that. I'm hitting on this D here. Okay. So it goes. Thank you very much. This is Wikile. If you have any question on that rhythm there, you can subscribe to my YouTube and then post a question about it. I can explain that, the chord progression, and how you can progress to change it to change it further and make it more interesting. Thanks very much. Name is Wikile again. Cheers. Bye.